Namaste, all the students from 8th standard. Now, in this lecture, we are going to learn properties of angles formed by two parallel lines and a transversal. Means we are taking here the lines which are parallel to each other. For that, learning activities here. Observe the figure A and B. As shown in figure A, we have to draw two parallel lines. Their transversal on a paper. Draw a copy of the figure A using a trace paper as shown in figure B. Color the first and second part with different colors. Cut out the two parts with the pair of scissors and try to match that parts with the angle shown in figure A. What is your observation? Part second is matches with angle A, angle E, angle C and angle G. So first conclusion is that angle A is congruent with angle C, is congruent with angle E, is congruent with angle G. Part first matches with angle B, angle D, angle F and angle H. Therefore, we have another conclusion. Angle B is congruent with angle D, is congruent with angle F and is congruent with angle H. We know that angle A and angle E are corresponding angles. Angle A and angle E are the angles in a pair of corresponding angles. Angle D and angle H are also a pair of corresponding angles. Angle B and F are the pair of corresponding angles. Angle C and angle G are the pair of corresponding angles. Since we are observing here these pairs are congruent, then we can say that when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then each pair of corresponding angles are congruent. Also, angle D and angle F, angle C and angle E are interior alternate angles. Since we are observing here that these two pairs are congruent, then we can say that when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, each pair of interior alternate angles are also congruent. Since we are observing here angle A is congruent with angle G, angle B is congruent with angle H. Therefore, we conclude that when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, each pair of the exterior alternate angles are also congruent. Since part first and part second in the diagram in the figure are forming a pair of linear angles, we can say that angle D plus angle E, which are interior angles, angle D plus angle E is equal to 180 degree, angle C plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, we conclude that when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the pair of interior angles are supplementary of each other. Means the sum of the interior angles is 180 degree. Now here in the diagram, in the figure, line PQ is parallel with line RS and line AB is a transversal of given two parallel lines. Line AB intersects given two lines in two distinct points that are point M and N. So total 8 angles are formed when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal. Then each pair of corresponding angles are congruent. Can you tell which are that corresponding angles which are congruent? Yes, angle AMP and angle MNR. Another pair, angle PMN and angle RNB. Angle AMQ and angle MNS, and angle QMN and angle SNB. So these are the pair of corresponding angle which are congruent. Yes, angle PMN and angle MNS, angle QMN and angle MNR. Angle AMP is congruent with angle SNB. Angle AMQ is congruent with angle RNB. Now can you tell pairs of interior angles which are supplementary of each other? Angle PMN plus angle MNR is equal to 180 degree. Angle QMN plus angle MNS is equal to 180 degree. Thank you.